Well, hi guys and gals, it's me George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and I thought you might like to come along with me while I install my steering box on the Gadget Goofy Cart. I keep wanting to say Gadget Bike. Goofy Cart, say that 5 times fast. Now we're going to get this down in here the way it goes properly, and somehow I've come up short on one bolt to hold this in place, so we'll just get it loosely bolted in place, and we'll start with the one over here. And you know what? I should be putting a stainless steel washer on there. Not good, George. Not good. And these have lock nuts on them, and I think, I'm not sure about this, but I think I do have some chrome acorns to go on them. Now, this one is a snug fit down underneath the transmission here. Snug fit, and maybe it's not going to fit with the lock washer on it. I mean the locking nut on it. And maybe, just maybe, that's why I wasn't able to find the 4th one that had a lock nut on it. Maybe we're going to put this one out here. Need to get a wrench. That one screws through the hole. We'll use a wrench under here. Thread this in. And I shouldn't have used a deep socket because it slides down too far in. You can tell I'm really well prepared for this. Okay, that one's going to work, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to dribble a little bit of blue Loctite down in there. Don't make the mistake that I made. I put red Loctite on all the bolts on my engine when I assembled it. All these bolts here. And I need to be able to remove this one here, or I thought I was going to remove it, so that I could put my throttle linkage bracket on there, but I don't know, that may not be happening. Okay, so as you can see, we're kind of coming up with a utilitarian looking theme, and that's okay. We got a lot of gray going on, but like I said, I still haven't figured out exactly what to do down in here on the shaft on the steering box. But let me back you up and let's finish off this project for today. We can't do any more with the steering, except we can top off our steering box with the steering wheel, huh? How's them apples? Yes, sirree, Bob. That makes me pretty happy. Oh, and you'll notice something else too. Yeah, can you see that? We got our shifter in place and it's already scratched up. It's gonna happen, I guess. Shifter is scratched up. I noticed I brought my windshield mount up today, and I've had these sitting down in my base on a shelf, and unfortunately this shelf had some plastic on it, and I didn't realize that it was catching into my paint, and when I lifted it off, it peeled the paint off. And I think that's what happened to my shifter as well. Got stuck to that plastic. Shelf liner stuff, you know. Yeah, well, you'll have that. I can touch them up, I guess, or not. It is, after all, a goofy cart. And you can see that things are starting to fill in and we're getting a little bit snug